Hi, mister. Yeah. Yeah. Did you tell Daddy about stepping on some ants?
Yes.
Yeah, the ants, the bugs were crawling along, and he got the broom and tried to get them with the broom, and they outran him, so he stepped on them. Tell Daddy you stepped on some bugs.
Bug getter.
That's a hole. The bugs run down the hole, don't they? Yeah, the bugs will run down the hole.
I put some water in the bird drinker, bird bath. I put water in that.
No, we can't go out there. The wind's blowing too hard.
Yeah, it might come a storm.
Might come a storm. We have to stay.
It might come a lightning and go. That's loud.
Yeah, that's the bird bath down there.
Brushing his teeth with his blinker light on, with the lights off, and Rebecca takes him with her phone. You can see his light flashing on his face, red and orange.
Now that's a bird bath. Daddy filled it up with water so the birds can get a drink.
That's a mosquito.
Yeah, I know it. I was wearing it earlier.
Here, turn around here. There's only one place for you to wear this, Muggy. It's right down the crack.
That keeps the mosquitoes off of you. You have to leave it on if we're going to stay out here. That's what I have to tell him, Marie.
Leave that on, we'll have to go inside.
If you take it off, we'll have to go in.
Here, you gotta wear that.
Let Daddy put it on you. Keeps the mosquitoes from biting
There you
you.
go.
The mosquitoes will beat you up.
Like it on his butt crack.
Yeah, that's the
Air conditioner.
air conditioner. It makes a lot of noise. I'm surprised it's not on. Yeah, it goes, ooh.
Got a mosquito grab on the bottom. There's them holes in there. Hold it down, son. That's a bunch of plants, bushes, shrubs.
Yeah. Show Daddy where the holes in the floor are. Yeah.
There's one. That's a crack.
There's a big hole.
There's
Yeah.
one.
There's one over there. You passed it up.
Those two guys that advertised for Sonic, they're in a convertible now.
That's to keep the mosquitoes from biting you.
That's banana.
Yeah.
You doing squats? Yeah, exercise with that leaf.
Papa sweeps all the leaves off. There was leaves all over the porch. Throw them off. Whew. We need to hang it in your diaper.
Come here, let me fix you. You pull a leaf out of your bottom. Here, come here, come here. You look like a bro.
Ooh, the wind's been blowing hard. Leave it alone. That keeps the bugs off of us. Keeps the bugs off of us.
Daddy gave me a wedgie. My package is getting mad. Somebody on bicycle.
Bicycles going by.
Bicycle down the road.
They right down there. Hear the jar flies? They're going real, 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 real. Whoops. Came off. Just hold it in your hand. Wind's blowing. I hadn't seen any since I've been out here. The wind's been too strong.
Don't put your fingers in there, Margaret.
Woo! That's a mosquito repellent. Yeah, it should be hanging on your bottom.
I'm going to put it on for you. Don't break it. I'm going to put it on for you. Turn around here. Go ahead, where I can get to you.
There goes the air conditioner.
I'll do it quick. Here, please lift it up.
Air conditioner came on.
There you go.
Air conditioner come on. Whee!
Terrible commitments you have to make to stay outside. A piece of plastic that's a foot crack. And it's not comfortable. Ain't nothing like it. And that, you're smelling this glue.
When you sit down, it comes off.
I got it down in diaper.
You gonna take your medicine back downstairs?
That's the one that stays up there. Thank you, then.
Rebecca, what time is it about? I've got a